Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change avatar size Roblox. Access Roblox. There on the sidebar, click on Avatar. Now in the menu, Head and Body, select the option Scale. After this, use the height slider to set the height percentage of your Roblox avatar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.